Introduce highlight features and quick overview of LG 27MD5KL-B Ultrafine 5K display. You can find wanted at here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. With a stunning 5120 by 2880 resolution and P3 wide color gamut, the 27-inch LG Ultrafine 5K display brings your favorite photos and videos to life. So whether you're watching a movie or editing an image, this high-performance monitor delivers immaculate 5K resolution for even the most pixel-packed visuals. A single Thunderbolt 3 cable charges your MacBook Pro with Thunderbolt 3 ports. And 3 downstream USB-C ports offer additional connectivity and power to compatible devices and accessories. Built-in stereo speakers, camera, and microphone deliver a rich media experience. And with over 14.7 million pixels, you won't miss a single detail of your next design layout, photo edit, or FaceTime call. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.